Hey guys, it's Speed Freak Show here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Porsche Cayenne. The Cayenne is Porsche's first SUV, and it's been a huge success for the company. It's a luxurious, powerful, and versatile SUV that's perfect for both on-road and off-road driving. The Cayenne has a sleek, modern design that's both stylish and aggressive. It's got a wide stance, a sloping roofline, and a large grille that gives it a commanding presence. The headlights are LED, and the taillights are full-width LED strips. The Cayenne is available in a variety of colors, including black, white, silver, red, blue, and green. The interior of the Cayenne is just as luxurious as the exterior. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. The dashboard is well designed and easy to use, and the materials are top-notch. The Cayenne comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Cayenne is powered by a variety of engines, including a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, and a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. The V6 engines produce 340 horsepower and 330 pounds-to-foot of torque, while the V8 produces 540 horsepower and 567 pounds-to-foot of torque. The Cayenne can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 5.2 seconds. The Cayenne is available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive system is excellent for off-road driving, and it also helps to improve traction on wet and snowy roads. The Cayenne has a sophisticated suspension system that provides a comfortable ride on smooth roads and a capable handling on twisty roads. The Cayenne comes standard with a long list of features, including a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, a Bose sound system, and a rear-view camera. Optional features include a head-up display, a night vision system, a surround-view camera system, and a Burmester sound system. The Cayenne has been awarded a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. It comes standard with a variety of safety features, including anti-lock brakes, traction control, stability control, and airbags. The Porsche Cayenne is a luxurious, powerful, and versatile SUV that's perfect for both on-road and off-road driving. It's got a sleek, modern design, a comfortable and spacious interior, and a variety of powerful engines. If you're looking for a high-performance SUV that's also luxurious and comfortable, the Porsche Cayenne is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Porsche Cayenne. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews like this one.